don't know how to say this 'cause there's really no good way. Guess I kinda love you, but my love is fading away. My heart is aching from a last heartbreak, and you know how much the God made me sing. You think that I am totally okay with you using me, but to tell you the truth, it's friggin' killing me. I think it's okay to do shit without dating. Well, I got a story that I'm gonna sing. Listen to the words and maybe you'll understand that a girl like me is hard to comprehend. You say that I'm special and trust me I am, but I don't think you know me as well as you think, 'cause there's all these little problems that turn into big. I'm an overreactor and you're too sad, always listening to music that makes no sense. You think you got yourself around my head, but to tell you the truth, you're no close to that. And me and you, I can't see, I don't know what it is about us, but I don't think we're meant to be, are we? You're a little older and I'm a little younger. Do you really think that we will be together forever? I've got myself into some problems, I'm not gonna lie to you. You may think that I'm screwed, but that's just the way I am. So if you get the meaning of this song, I hope you won't hate me for too long. We can still be friends if you want. I know it would be awkward, but we can break that wall. I know we never dated, but this is just a song that's trying to be nice, not mean at all. I'm a little crazy, so don't take this wrong, but you're actually lucky. You didn't stick around long.